Welcome to Forex Made Simple. So in this short video I'm gonna be showing you how to lock profits or how to trail your stop loss. So basically I have a sell that I took, and as you can see I'm in profit. So to locking profits basically means you put your stop loss below your sell order if it's a sell, and if it's a buy it means you put your stop loss above your buy order. So in this case it's a sell. I'm just going to put my stop loss below the price where I sold. So I sold GBP USD around 1.39335. So I'm just gonna put my stop loss below that, which is let's just say 139300. So to do that I go to trade and then I select the trade. So this is the trade that I want to edit. So you just hold down on it and then say modify order, and then you go to the stop loss. So I want to put my stop loss at 1.39300. so I'm just gonna click modify, and if we go back to charts you can see my stop loss is below the sell order. This means now this trade is a risk-free trade, so no matter what happens I will never lose on this trade.